Welcome to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to be introducing another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around the installation that we just carried out for a customer for an installation of their customer's own dash cam. Customer bought in a Blackvue front and rear dash cam for us to install professionally and hardwire into the vehicle. The dash cam actually came out of a previous vehicle and now moved to this car, and that's really key with a lot of the products that we install, especially the sound systems that we do and a couple of other products that we do. They can actually be taken out and moved to other cars. So your investment in kit doesn't just last with that car, it can be moved across. Exactly what this customer has done. So the kit still works and operates absolutely perfectly, and what we're doing in today's video is basically walking you through explaining that these sorts of kits can be selected and moved from car to car. So in terms of the system, what we've done is install this and hardwired it into the vehicle. In terms of the front dash camera, it's tucked away behind the front rear view mirror, basically it's completely hidden away. When you're sitting in that driver's seat, it's a really clear, nice image of the windscreen as you are, and you sort of wouldn't know it was there. Cable run goes up into the headlining, across to the left-hand side, down the A-pillar into the fuse box area, plus then also physical cable run all the way to the back. It's very important that these installs get done, whatever the car, to the highest possible standards, mostly because there's obviously airbags in the car, there's safety features, but also it's the sort of the value of the car. You don't want any trim or materials inside the car damaged. But that doesn't matter. Whatever the value of the car, it's your pride and joy. You want it installed by a professional, and that's exactly why this customer's coming to us in Cambridge. So this is a short video just to show you a little bit more about this car and what we've done on it. So thank you very much for watching our video, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.